Okay, not ready. Hi guys, today I'm going to do can't even speak when I just start the video. Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to make a character jump on Scratch. Let's just do a new project. Let's begin. Okay, creating project. Okay, we go. So let's first we need to get a character. Let's choose a sprite from up here. I think I'm going to do a people, of course. Let's choose this. And we're gonna delete some of these costumes. Okay. So we're going to do when the green flag clicked, go to 0, 0 because like why not? Yeah. So if I move it like over here, it always goes to the middle. So now let's go and we're going to switch costume to the first one. Okay. So this is the episode how to make characters walk and jump. So you might already think you might have already found it, but you can also do this you might have already known this. You can do like this and this, but if we duplicate this and then make it this, like when you go there, we can switch it to Jordan. No wait, Jordan A. No, it's B. Jordan A2. So look, now we just did that from a simple little bit of code. And now let's talk about jumping. So if you want a character to jump really high, I think you should do by 50. So when space clicked, it's going to go higher by 50, but then you have to come back down because you're jumping. So then you go like wait 1 second and you do minus 50, and then you if I go there, let's just make it there we are. So you can do this. Now let's add a sound effect. So if we choose a sound, there's actually a really good one. If we go to effects, there is somewhere a jump one. Okay, I'll just see when I found it. Right guys, I found it, it's right here. So it sounds really good. So I'm going to do that, and I'm going to start sound jump. Look, now you know how to do it. So it's that easy. And if I go back to here, it goes back to the middle and you can do it all over again. But I'm also going to do it, I'm also going to duplicate this, and then I'm going to do up arrow. So I really hope you enjoyed that episode, that really short episode. All you need is just all this code and one sprite to just make it jump. So please like and subscribe. Also, every episode I do is on my website, link in the description. There's also a link for you to subscribe. Please, hope you enjoyed that episode, and bye.